Every 3D printing enthusiast is looking for more advanced technology. Today, Ideaformer release a new upgrade-built 3D printer, IR3 V2, for dreamers and creators that will redefine the boundaries of conveyor belt printing. Say goodbye to traditional manual level adjustment of conveyor belt printer. The automatic leveling function of IR3 V2 makes the printing process more convenient. IR3 V2, with an impressive speed of 400 mm per second, paired with 20,000 mm per second acceleration, makes inspiration without waiting. IR3 V2 come with Klipper firmware. With Wi-Fi function, make the wireless printing come true. You can control your printing and monitor status with a simple operation. Without internet connected, U-disc printing is supported, so your printing is uninterrupted. The new upgrade metal conveyor belt, durable and stickable, improves the stability of printed models. Specially equipped with 64-bit 1.5 GHz CPU, it can ensure the smooth running of Klipper firmware with high performance. Direct extruder design for improved print accuracy and more powerful extrusion. IR3 V2 with the capacitive touchscreen is easy to operation. With the infinite Z-axis design, both long models and batch production can be printed efficiently, dramatically increasing productivity. Extend rules for printing long objects to avoid other side warp up or the model bend. Silent driver and vibration compensation technology for silent print and high precision print. Filament inputting detection function. Monitor the status of filament in time to ensure safe printing and don't waste the filament. If you need to print high-temperature filament, you can also set an enclosure box to reduce the model warping and cracking. To achieve the quality of printing, imagination has no boundaries, and creation is in your hand. IR3 V2 invite you to start on a journey of printing innovation. Ideaformer.